Something must have happened. Maybe you got a promotion. You're in a relationship. Something that your friend wants dearly that you have, they don't have. And they can't deal with it. I mean, think about how you met. You probably shared the same interests. Maybe you were on a team together, or you met at work. Maybe you got the promotion that he or she didn't. Whatever. It's a problem. And you can tell your friend is seething with jealousy and anger and resentment, and you didn't do anything. I have to be honest with you. A lot of times, these friendships don't survive unless your friend is super mature and can be happy for you and know that some other time, at some other point in their life, something really good is going to happen to them. And maybe you'll experience a setback or you'll plateau and they'll go up in their career, or then again something will happen to you later on. It's an ebb and flow. That's what friendship is. Sometimes you're up and they're down and vice versa, and that'll happen constantly, but people don't get that. And not that they want anything bad to happen, they don't want you to get a demotion, or maybe they do. But deep down they want what you have. So, how do you handle the situation? I wouldn't bring it up. I know you think, oh, bring it up and address the elephant in the room. No, because they're going to just deny, deny, deny. What? I'm really happy. I'm really happy for you. Of course I am. And you can just tell, no, they're anything but happy. They're so jealous, and it's going to come out in different ways. They're going to snap at you for something completely different. And they're going to get mad about something that's nothing. And they might even try to turn people against you so that they have the friend group and you no longer have it. And this could be because you're dating the person they wanted to date, or you're in this wonderful relationship and they just had a big bad breakup. I don't know. And like I said, I'm not saying that they want the worst for you, that they want you to lose your job or this person to break up with you. But, you know, you don't know. You don't know what's going on in their head, because jealousy can do some serious mind games to people who were before otherwise really kind people who wanted the best for everyone. And now the claws have come out, basically. So if you're talking to this person and they start bringing up whatever it is that they're jealous of, change the subject. Oh, so how's Susie? Yeah, how's that going? She's fine. Oh, yeah, you're going to the game next week? Change the subject. Again, even if it's abruptly, so they get the message, you're not going to talk about it. There's no point. It'll just bring up bad feelings. And if there's no way for you to be around this person without them just trying to bring you down, trying to undermine you in little ways, you're going to have to take a step back. And again, not to say the situation won't change 2 years from now, a year from now, next month, next week. Because again, something really good could happen in their life. And then they're like, okay, why was I so hateful to my friend? You know, because things change so fast in life. And I always say, well, do you really want to be friends with somebody who's so rude and awful to you and can't share in your joy? Well, you have to ask yourself that. And maybe it just takes them maturing and getting used to what's happened to you, and maybe they'll change careers, so they're no longer competitive with you. So maybe give it time. Maybe don't dump them right away. Maybe don't spend so much time with them. And maybe just put the friendship a little on the back burner. Maybe don't see them quite as much. see how this blows over. But if a month from now they're still awful to you every time they see you about who knows what, and again, they're trying to turn people against you, that's a big clue that they're not going to mature and that this is always going to be an issue. Then maybe, you got to cut them out of your life. But try to at least salvage the friendship a little bit, see how it goes. Maybe turn the friendship into more of an acquaintance type situation where you see them every once in a while with a bunch of people, not one on one. That way you can talk to them for a little bit and then you go off and you talk to somebody else. So you see them, you're fine, everything's fine. You're not the closest of friends. You're putting it on the back burner, but just maybe down the road everything will change. Their attitude will change. They'll get used to your new life, whether it's with this person, whether it's the new job, the new promotion, and something good in their life will happen. They'll realize, I acted like an idiot, and you'll resume your friendship.